So the advantages of collect roadkill is that you have access to animals. It's like opportunistic access to these animals. You don't plan a big field work to go and collect these animals. You only go and see what you can find. And sometimes you find species that are really difficult to catch, and it will require a big effort to do it. So it basically is opportunistic sampling. We were driving around, and when we spot an animal, we stop and assess how many hours ago the animal was dead. We have to collect the samples that are useful for us before you have any degradation of the tissues, because that means we cannot use the specimen. The first thing that we assess is the animal stiff, yeah, and if it smells, and if it has any maggots. So basically what we're doing first, we have to collect tissue samples. We try to be as clean as possible, because when you grow cells, you can also grow other things like bacteria and fungus that contaminate your sample. In this case, we're using a finger, so we grow fibroblasts for them back in the lab. It goes to one tube, and then we keep it cold till we take it to the lab and we grow the cells from them. At the moment, we don't have cells of sleepy lizards in our collection, and we got 4 individuals, so that is a good number to collect the genetic diversity that is in this area. The value of collecting living cells, we are not only preserving the genetic material of that wildlife population, but we also preserving live cells of the population. We are working with what we call skin cells, fibroblasts, and fibroblasts, they can be reprogrammed to induce pluripotent stem cells, and then stem cells can become other cells. And there are some research where they're trying to reprogram these stem cells to gametes like sperm and eggs. So basically you could potentially create a new animal from these cells that you are collecting from the road.